The sheet library in Coffalyser.net consists of two sections, a hidden and an active visible one. After updating the library, all available Coffalyser sheets are stored in the hidden section. The active section only contains Coffalyser sheets that you have used in previous analyses. When the correct Coffalyser sheet is not present in the active section of the sheet library, you have to add it to the active section first before you can analyze your MLPA data. You can do this as follows. First, right-click on Sheet Library and select Open. This will open the Manage Coffalyser Worksheets window. You now see the active section of the sheet library. Then, right-click in the Manage Coffalyser Worksheets window and select Add. Now you have to select the last option. Create a worksheet based on a MRC Coffalyser sheet. This activates the product drop-down menu. Open this menu and select the appropriate probe mix from the list. Next, open the lot drop-down menu. All available lots of the selected probe mix are listed here. Pick the appropriate lot number from the list and click OK. The Coffalyser sheet will open in a new window. Click OK to save and close the sheet. You have now added the Coffalyser sheet to the active section of the sheet library, and it can now be selected in an experiment. Click Close to return to the main window.